So let's take a look. We're going to look at how velocity it looks on a diagram. Velocity might be a new word for you, and that's totally okay. So velocity, we use a V for velocity. V, velocity. They start with the same thing. Hopefully that's easy to remember. Velocity is a lot like speed, which you might be more familiar with. Speed tells us how fast we're going. And velocity does too. Velocity tells us how fast we're going, but it also tells us which way, which is the direction. So velocity is your speed with your direction. So in a motion diagram, we can see your velocity with an arrow. So if your arrow points to the right, your velocity is in the positive direction. And if your arrow points to the left, your velocity is in negative direction. Now, it doesn't say this in here, but the longer the arrow is, and maybe I can put this right here. This would be a slow velocity maybe, and this would be a fast velocity. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. Bigger arrow, faster velocity. That would be something that would be useful to understand. Okay, we'll see that here in just a little bit in example 3.